Broadly speaking, a person isn't held criminally liable for crimes committed while he's legally insane. The definition of legal insanity differs among jurisdictions. Establishing an insanity defense can be an uphill climb, as illustrated in Smith v. State of Alaska. Alan Smith was an Army private stationed at Fort Richardson, Alaska. Before enlisting, Smith had some history of mental illness, namely paranoid schizophrenia and violent behavior. While in the Army, Smith generally followed orders. Even so, he had repeated disciplinary problems, and he always seemed to be spaced out and disengaged. Smith was accordingly sent twice to the fort's mental health clinic. The second time, the clinic recommended that Smith be separated from the Army. To that end, Smith's superior, Captain Tucker, informed Smith of his impending discharge. Initially, Smith displayed no reaction. Later that morning, though, Smith entered the supply room and announced his intent to go to the airport. Having done so, Smith brandished a pistol, pointed it at a sergeant, and demanded a vehicle. The sergeant had a colleague furnish Smith a pickup truck. After the sergeant refused to drive Smith to the airport, Smith took the vehicle and drove it off the base, exchanging gunfire with military personnel on his way out. Police cars soon started chasing Smith, who then abandoned the truck and ran off into the woods. There he lay flat on the ground and pointed his gun at Officer Leon Jordan. Smith shot Jordan twice, and Jordan shot Smith once before collapsing. Both survived. Smith was arrested and charged with shooting with intent to kill, wound, or maim. Smith pleaded insanity as a defense. To that end, Smith was examined by Dr. Robinson, a clinical psychologist, and Drs. Langdon and Rader, both psychiatrists. All three agreed that, at the time of the offense, Smith could appreciate the wrongfulness of his actions, and Smith himself admitted as much. Robinson and Langdon felt that Smith couldn't conform his conduct to the law at that time. Rader believed he could. The trial court rejected Smith's insanity defense and convicted him. Smith appealed to the Alaska Supreme Court.